The legal counsel of Senator Grace Poe argues that the 3 petitions filed before the Commission on Elections against the lawmaker's bid for the presidency are dismissible. Tell us why, Victor Cosare.
3 petitions against Senator Grace Poe's bid for the presidency was heard today by the COMELEC's First Division. This pertains to the petition for disqualification filed by former Senator Kit Tatad and the petitions to deny due course or cancel COC submitted separately by political science professor Antonio Contreras and former UE College of Law Dean Amado Valdez. The cases are concentrated on Poe's citizenship and residency. Tatad's lawyer Manuelito Luna stated that the lady senator is not a natural-born Filipino, being a foundling whose parents are unknown. Tatad's lawyer Manuelito Luna stated that the lady senator is not a natural-born Filipino, being a foundling whose parents are unknown. Also, since she only reacquired her Filipino citizenship last July 2006, she does not meet the 10-year residency requirement for a presidential candidate. The petitioners added that if we were to base the counting on her certificate of candidacy when she ran for senator in 2013, wherein she indicated that she has been in the country for 6 years and 6 months at the time of the election day, it will also follow that she still lacks the residency requirement when the May 9, 2016 elections come. However, Poe's lawyer argued that the 3 petitions are dismissible. Attorney George Garcia said the grounds stated in the Tatad petition are already beyond the jurisdiction of COMELEC. Meanwhile, both Valdez and Contreras' petition, on the other hand, does not point out that the respondent committed intentional acts of misrepresentation.
Yun po ang nature ng kaso sa COMELEC. Oy, ikaw ay nagsinungaling talaga at yan ay intentional, sinadya mo, tatanggalin ka bilang kandidato. Hindi po pinag-uusapan dito kung ikaw ay kwalipikado sapagkat sinabi na po ng Korte Suprema, walang jurisdiction ng COMELEC na magsabi na ang isang kandidato ay disqualified sapagkat yung enumerasyon po ng mga kung sino ang disqualified ay napaka-specific po sa batas. Hindi po kasama doon yung ikaw ay hindi Pilipino, ikaw ay walang residente.
However, Professor Contreras stressed that Poe already had previous cases of misrepresentation apart from what she wrote in her certificate of candidacy.
She and her husband bought a condo and the parking lot to that condo. In the CCT, for the condo and the parking area, nilagay niya at yung pangalan ng asawa niya, both Filipinos. That was February 9, 2006 when she was still very much an American citizen. Siguro nung alam nung time na yun, alam niya hindi pa siya Pilipino, hindi pa siya nag-repatriate. Ba't mo ilalagay na Pilipino kasi sa dokumento?
It was a mistake on the interpretation of what is really, ano po ba talaga ang kanyang status. Kasi nga po pagbalik niya dito sa Pilipinas, ang paniniwala niya ay naging Pilipino na kaagad siya.
After today's hearing, the different parties were given up to December 3 to submit their memoranda, and then the cases will be submitted for resolution. Despite the decision released by the Senate Electoral Tribunal on Poe's disqualification case, the First Division of COMELEC stressed that the ruling of the tribunal will not be their basis in coming up with a decision.
Kumbaga, pwede rin basahin din namin yon as our guide, but we will always be guided by our own appreciation of the facts and the law.
Meanwhile, the petition against Poe's presidential candidacy that is being handled by the Second Division of COMELEC is already submitted for resolution. Victor Cosare reporting for Y News.